So welcome back, guys. We're live on Binance. Here we'll be looking into some insights on how to leverage your BNB token. Now, one of the coolest token to hold in the crypto world and crypto space is the BNB token. Now, BNB allows you lots of opportunities on the Binance exchange as well as on the BNB chain ecosystem. Now, with BNB, you'll be able to pay for fees. That's the Binance native token. So it allows you the opportunity to pay for fees to participate in several campaigns on the Binance platform. Take note, Binance is the #1 exchange in the whole world, in the whole crypto space. So there are lots of activities on Binance, and you can also use the BNB token to participate in lots of campaigns. So you can also participate in trading opportunities. You can participate with futures trading, spot trading, P2P. You can also check out the Binance and campaigns. Now, one cool one we'll be looking into the Binance megadrop. Now, this megadrop here, you can get access to you can discover, it says here, discover, participate and earn rewards, and welcome to the future of airdrops. Now here there are lots of projects that are looking to jump on or to be listed on the Binance platform. Now all you can do, you can decide to lock your token to earn points. The points can be used in redeeming these tokens once they finally get listed on the platform. Now it says here how to participate. Lock BNB, subscribe to a fixed term in Simple N to accumulate points, complete Web3 tasks, participate in Web3 quests to boost your airdrop rewards. Now the last step, earn rewards, receive new token rewards proportional to your accumulated score. Now this is just how simple it is for you to, or this is just one of the opportunities that you can start using your BNB tokens for. Now current price of BNB is currently about I think it's about $600, but you do not need to have up to that. You can have as much as maybe $1, $10, $5, depending on how much you can be able to get. And then again, next opportunities here we have at the Binance end. So on the Binance end, it's broken down into wide categories where you can see simple N, you can see high yields, dual investment, and also the super N odds. Now for the Binance end, it's where it's more like your savings account for traditional finance, where you can get access to interest rates when your funds are saved in your account, and you can also more like a fixed deposit. Now they have the fixed deposit function, they also have the savings function. Now it says here the flexible, that's more similar to savings. You can see for BNB you get as much as 0.5% to about 15% APR. And next up, you can also get for doing dual investment, you get between 3.65% to about 15%. Now for you to subscribe, just click on the subscribe button. If you also want to use the calculator, you can come over here. There's the calculator. I love this feature, guys. So just scroll down, search BNB. So let's say you have about 1000 BNB and you want to use the flexible rates. It says that once you subscribe, you'll be getting about 0.6 BNB in returns for your flexible savings. Now if you have to put this in the fixed ratio, you'll be getting as much as 0.3% for your BNB. You'll be getting about 10 BNB on your 1000 BNB fixed ratio. Now this is massive, guys, so you want to leverage on this. Imagine receiving up to 10 BNB just for keeping about 1000 BNB with Binance. And the cool thing is that Binance is the most secure platform or the most secure exchange in the world, so you have nothing to fear. Binance funds are currently safe. Now there's one cool insight here. You can see here they're currently running a Launchpool on the super end where you can get up to 300% on your Hamster token. Now take note, users just participated in the Hamster Launchpool, and it's going to be ending so in a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to show you this feedback from this user. Now this post was made about September 26th, that's about some days back. He said, I got more Hamster tokens from staking BNB in the BNB Binance Launchpool for a few days than I got from playing for 5 months. Now imagine you being able to use your BNB token and getting rewards that is even more than what most users got for playing the game. So I'm just going to bookmark this. Maybe I might drop the link, or you can also check. This is the user. You can check out the feedback on X. Then again, there are lots of promotions from futures trading, where you can see lots of quests. We have about $35,000 quests here. So I'm just going to take you guys here to announcement, where you can see some carnival opportunities here. Okay, yes, we have a Amster token trading campaign here. So eligible spot trading pairs. So just for trading BNB, we have BNB against lots of pairs here. By trading BNB pairs, you'll be eligible to share between the price pool of $50,000 in Amster tokens, which is massive, guys. So number one user will be getting up to $3,000 and up to $2,500. Okay, yeah. So there are lots of opportunities there with your BNB token, so you don't want to miss out on this. For the Binance Launchpool, so Binance has done about 2 mega drops. Now for the Launchpool, you also want to know that Launchpool events are also out there, opportunities are also out there for you to also leverage. Now it says here over $1 billion currently locked, and there are more 97 projects launched, and all-time participations about 5 million plus users. Now this is the most recent of them for Amster, where you can lock your BNB just like that user locked his and got free tokens. Now Kati also did. We have dogs. So these are just some Telegram projects. We also have the ones from previous campaigns. We have IO, we have Notcoin, we have so there are lots of them, guys. So if you're looking towards earning passive income, make sure to jump on this as soon as possible. Just never is, if you do not want to trade, you just want to hold your tokens, go over to the simple end. You can subscribe, and you'll be getting access to these token rewards on a regular basis. You can use the calculator to also calculate or estimate your potential rewards, and you can, for the flexible one, you can easily pull out your funds anytime, but for the fixed one, your funds will have to be locked for a certain period of time. That's why they give you more rewards when you lock your funds. Now you can choose between 7 days to about 6 months or about 3 months, whichever ones that is suitable for you. So just click here, click subscribe, and you'll be able to subscribe your tokens. So make sure you have some tokens in your wallet. I'm just going to click in here, max. So it says here the minimum here you need to have about 0.02. So if you have about $10, $50, so it says here you can stay up to 90 or 120 days. So these are easy it is. We also dropped a tutorial guide on how to participate in some of these campaigns. So there are hot campaigns here. You also want to look out for them. These pop-ups are really great. So that's pretty all. If you have any questions, make sure to use our link to register so you don't miss out on $600 plus sign-up bonuses, guys. As your boy K, stay tuned and peace out, guys. Also, I think I'm just going to leave you guys with this. So this is just a brief overview about the whole campaigns and the Launchpool, mega drop, and all the airdrops. Subscribe, and that's it, guys.